Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be working on my nails because I broke some. I broke actually enough for one hand. Now I wasn't going to come on here and show my nails looking like this, but you know, this is something that happens in real life. Sometimes you break nails in 2 days like I did, and sometimes you can't fix them right away or go get them fixed right away. So I said I might as well keep it real, show y'all my ratchetness. You can see this, almost this whole hand is gone. I broke 3 here, 2 here. So I'm gonna remove the polish first. Okay, so yeah, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove the polish off of these nails. I'm gonna try the sanding bands that I got from that I recently picked up from Shiba Nails. They're actually medium, so I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I just want to give it a try and see if it does. I do have a stronger grit, and then I have another drill bit if this does not work, but I just want to give this a try first and see how it works on removing polish. And then I have the nails here that I'm going to replace with, I'm using my Pro Sculpture Liquid. I have my 1-coat primer, my dapping dish, my number 8 acrylic brush, and my Shiba Nails surgical nail glue, quick dry surgical nail glue. And I'm going to be doing, I'm not sure if I'm going to do all nails in this, but I'm going to do like maybe a few in the glow in the dark acrylic Luna powder, and it's like a lavender purple. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. So alright, so what I'm going to do is get started on Alright, so I used the coarse, uh, gosh, what is it called? Sanding bit and, sanding bands. And I didn't like it. I had to turn it up way too high, and it was like starting to burn my finger. And it's taking a lot of product off the nail and really scratching it up. So I decided to stop doing that. I just got this flame bit. I don't really want to use it taking off polish, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a try because I don't want polish stuck on it. Like, I could see it stuck on the sanding band, and then I usually use this one to take nail polish off, and you can see I have some stuck on this gold one. So I really hate for it to show on this white one, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a try because it's has more like more teeth on it. So I'm going to see how this flame bit does. You guys can see the flame bit worked a whole lot better. It took it off quickly. And I decided to take this middle finger off because it was popping off anyways, and I didn't like the shape, so I just rather put a new one on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the polish off of my hang loose fingernails, and I'll be back. I am done putting the tips on. I cut them down. I used my straight nail clippers to take a little bit off of the sides. So yeah, I ended up adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new nails on. Yeah. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get started with applying the acrylic. I'm gonna start with this, and yeah. I kept my foil on here and just poked a little hole so that way I can just easily squeeze it out. Alright, so I got that ready. Ooh, this is so pretty. Sparkly. Yeah. Alright, that. Open up my clear. Oh, I need some more of this. I'm going to be going to the nail shop again tomorrow because I still have to go pick up a couple of things that I forgot. So, this is a makeup brush that I use for when I'm filing and stuff. I just use it as a duster. I thought it was cute. AliExpress, like a couple of years ago I got that. Alright, so I'm going to put my 1 coat primer on my nail beds of the nails I just did. Well, the nails that I added the tips to. Thank you, heat, for going off because it was loud and you guys could probably hear that. Alright. Okay. Let's get started on these nails. It is late and I'm ready for bed. My little nail area is in my bedroom, so my husband is already asleep. So I'm probably going to do this bit with no talking so I don't disturb him or wake him up. Alright, you guys, I'm all done. I have not a clue what I was doing. This is probably going to be like a fail because I did like a lot better on this side, on my bad side, ooh, than I did on my good side. I've got like acrylic spilled everywhere, but I still have to file them down with my nail file, so I'm going to do that now, and my drill. So let's get them filed up and see how they look after that. I hope they come out okay. Because like I think this was my only second time using something like this, so I'm not sure what the heck I just did. So yeah, let's see how these babies look after I get to filing them. But I do love this powder. It's so pretty. Of course it doesn't want to show. See it a little bit. It's so sparkly. So I definitely want to pick up some more of their glitter powders, but I'm obviously going to have to practice using it. So, alright, let me get to filing and see what happens. I hope you guys can hear me. Like I said, it is late and my hubby is sleeping and I don't want to wake him, but I just got done with filing them up. I used the nail drill and my nail files. I used these buffer. This is also like a buff and shine. So I used that. They came out okay. I'm not really happy with my left hand. It's a little bit bulkier on these three than on this hand. Of course, it doesn't want to show. This hand looks a lot better. I just, I just have to practice. I've never like used this like glitter powder before, except for maybe, like I said, once before. This may be my second time. Like, see how I like have a boy, I missed some down here, and this one's a little bulky. I have to kind of get that in shape a little better. But this one, they look a lot better and a lot thinner. I just did like way too much acrylic on this one. So yeah, I'll probably file them up a little bit more tomorrow. And yeah, but that's it. So I'm just gonna have to keep practicing this until I get it down packed, and soon I'll be better. But they are very nice and smooth. I don't know if they glow. Let's see. Oh, duh. Let me see. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, well, they did glow, you guys. I just could not get it to show on camera, which sucks, but they have a nice bright green glow to them, so that's awesome. So yeah, all right, you guys, that is it. I'm gonna top them off with some cuticle oil, get them all nice and soft. And I am all done. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I guess I'll be doing some more practice. I'll use my nail trainer, do some practice runs with this glitter powder stuff on my nail trainer hand. You know, like I always say, I'm not a professional. I'm self-taught, and I just have to get better at my liquid to powder ratio. That's where I really need to practice in, is my liquid to powder ratio. And I'm sure once I get that down packed, I'll be a lot better. But you know, I'm gonna probably slap some polish on top of these anyway, so this little void and stuff is okay. I'll be polishing them soon anyway. So yeah, that's it. All right, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like the video, turn the notification bell on, and subscribe. As soon as I hit 1K, I will do a giveaway. Don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Bye.